Yo, tell your boy my KFX, I'm here with another live trading session, man. I'm not sure. Man, it's just, I've not posted shit, and I really apologize to you guys for not posting for a long time. Like, for a long time, I haven't posted shit, man. I've just been sleeping and lazing around. I passed my boyfriend account also, just now like 2% Jordan right now. Actually, for you, man, you can do so well in the challenge and in the life account, man. It's just psychology is just different. But that is the talk for nowadays. So today we're here to teach you guys what's happening in the market right now and what you should expect from next week buyers. So next week buyers. So today this is 8th Sunday 8th 2026 January 8th and February 8th. I mean. So let's dive into the video straight ahead and no time to waste. Let's just dive into the video. So if you can see clearly we're very bullish on EU. You can see we just had bullish to the upside. A higher high, a lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high. It's I think this here. Expected it created another higher high, broke above this high right here. So mean that this low is strong, mean that this low is strong. So that's just the psychology, that's just the idea behind it. A strong low take out a weak high, a strong low take out a weak high, a strong low take out a weak high, a strong low take out a weak high. And anytime this high gets so strong and takes out this low, meaning that sellers have taken the control and now the highs are now strong and the lows are now weak. So that's where we get our buyers from very easy and easy to understand. I just thought I could this way. So if you can see right now, if you look at it in the external range, you can see this is the finger, this is the swing low, and so what about this finger? You can see and now I'm using that, let's just close zoom in better to make the chart more cleaner and more understandable for you. So you can see price turned bearish for the short term to facilitate the pullback. When it came into the zone, what happened when it came back to the zone? Turned bullish again, close above its head, greater number of structure. Like just the pattern just keep repeating itself, but that is the market for you. You never just changes like you know, that's just the market for you. So it just continues happening and happening and happening and happening and right now. So another thing is that right now you can also tell easily tell that so what can happen right here. What happened right here? Price closed above this high again, creating another break of structure to the upside, meaning that this low right here is stronger than this high, which was that's why he was able to overpower it and create the break of structure. So we clearly can know that buyers are in control. So what I'm looking for, like, what is the where are the point of interest and the area of the high liquidity that was able to push price and give it enough momentum that take out this high. So this as you can see right here, these are the two demand zones. So this is the extreme zone and this is the near zone. So as you can see right here, this is the extreme zone right here, which price has come into. So now is a high tendency that price as can turn bullish during the week, the next week or entering and continue with bullish order flow as to be able to take out this bad boy right here. So or come to the exchange zone for that happens. But I'm very confident that that is going to happen. So the whole sell you were seeing throughout last week on EU was just to facilitate the high time frame pullback. So price just turning bearish for the short term to facilitate the higher time frame pullback. Easy as ABC. So that if you go to our 1 hour time frame extreme of this, so when price have come into here, you can see that if it takes out this high right here, so this high and this low now are the internal range we're playing in between the ends. So this is the most recent swing high and this most recent swing low and this most recent break of structure to the downside. But I think this is going to be a liquidity sweep. If you ask me, bro, let me see what happens. If price takes this out, and then I'll know that price swap liquidity with this because of you can see the first low or high that created at a point of interest a lot of times that just inducement and price will come down to sweep it out. And see, I just mark this as liquidity. So I'm expecting price to actually come to close above this high and to continue the bullish order flow. But that was I'm just expecting. I can't control the market. It can do anything it can do. We just analyze what based on data and stuff. But anything can happen. The market is market and it's rational. It doesn't care about you. So that is just EU for you. And so let's move on to the OG gold, man. This gold is bastard repair, man. You can see what good I've done to a lot of financial experts. It has dealt with them a lot to do with clouds. As you can see, so I don't really want to talk too much. I will just like glaze and stuff like that. But what I'm trying to say that this bearish move was expected. This bearish move was too expected. What is this? let's mark this whole point out like this. Everything I'm not look at this zone, look at the momentum, look at how many peak that shit is. Of course, eventually the price does come back to feel imbalances because these are imbalances. Price is not making any significant pullback, which of course price goes come and sweep liquidity and fill imbalances before it continues to the upside. And that's the like always look at all the liquidity right to this side that was swept out. Look how many buy orders and stop losses that was swept out right here. A shit ton of orders and liquidity was being swept out and price moves on liquidity. So that's why he has to come down to sweep liquidity because he moves on liquidity. So of course this bearish move was very expected. So anybody that was longing at this point or still longing at this point, I think that person is crazy because at this we don't understand structure. So this is what price just coming to come and do his thing like usual. So just come and fill imbalances. No big deal, no big go on that. That's on the metatal level. So let's just continue looking at this. So right now I feel like see that this demand zone right here. This is where price came was able to continue to close below it when price came here. I'm confident that price has officially turned bullish back from gold. So after you look at this my 15 minute time frame, so the critical because structure continue the bullish order flow. Higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high. I mean lower I say lower high, what the fuck? Higher high, go. Me, I've forgotten this thing, bro. It's not stress me. So yeah, I just it came to this demand zone, swap this liquidity right here. Very important. I need to see that swap liquidity again, create another break of structure. So now the price do this, comes out to this zone or respect this and continue pull back, swap this liquidity. Now we're expecting to continue bullish and the windows continue to take out this side, continue to move EP up to create a all-time high again. That was I'm anticipating on gold is a pair I won't really advise you maybe to trade right now, especially right now. But I think you should take a volatile pair and also trade. So I trade 3 pairs as you can see. So GG has been the most nasty pair ever. Very disgusting. You can see how bullish this pair is, right? Of course, very annoying right now. So we come to this point right now. I see what price is doing. I was teaching something so that's why this is my bit. I see the price of consolidating from this point of interest right here. So we're playing between this swing and this swing. I'll see what price did. First of all, I can see right here, I mean bring back that too. Price has been ranging since it came to this point of since it came to this price point. It has been ranging up, down, up, down, up, down. I'll do something now. Continuously. Price was ranging right here, right now. So after it was at this point it was ranging, so eventually bars took control to as we close above this high, came down sub liquidity, several liquidity below this lows right here, push higher again, created another break of structure, eventually came to this point of interest, expected this demand zone, push, but this demand zone did not have sufficient liquidity and sufficient momentum to push price to close above this high. What the price do after it came to this point? Since there was not sufficient liquidity, price came again to sweep more liquidity, which used this whole lows right here. This everything from here, which Anine, OG Anine made liquidity. So all of them were used as liquidity right here. So price came down, saw the liquidity then before had a very strong bullish momentum again. But this momentum again was not strong enough to push price to create a higher high and break out this high. We were also able to wix it. So right now I feel like price now since that was there it's insufficient, but price came down again to respect this demand zone right here. So the audio demand zone have already mitigated. So this is the only holding demand zone. This demand this can hammer have already been mitigated already. This has already been mitigated already. All of them has been mitigated. This is the only unmitigated first one. So we see when price came to it, ping tapped on it like this, went out to a 15-minute time frame. When we went out to a 15-minute time frame, saw the liquidity, created a break of structure, continue very highly bullish. You can see I don't trade trend lines and all that shit. I just draw it out so I'm teaching something. So whatever if you trade trend lines, you can see it's not very clear to you guys now. That price is very bullish. You can see how it's moving swift and swift and swift. So yeah, that's it. So go down to what I analyze on I was bullish on EU, I think no bearish on EU, I don't know. So what we should go down to our 4 hour on DXY. So DXY does the opposite of EU, so which helped me in my bias confluence. So I'm saying I'm bearish on DXY, so I should bullish here, right? That's good. Let me see. Yeah, I'm bullish. Let's go. So kind of like analyze separately. So that's we opposite each other. They are correlating. There is I'm doing something wrong in one pair. So if I'm the person this guy to start selling, and the person this guy to start buying. So I don't trade the extra. I just use as a confidence to my buyers on EU. Yeah, this kind of videos I do. If you like this kind of videos, please like, share, subscribe. Let's move on together. Like this video. You can see I don't record these things. I pass my profile farms. I'm not sure whether it's certificate or not. I don't know. So that is just trading for you. That is bias those I'm expecting next week on my three pairs I trade. Please and love, don't play. You're gonna play, you learn the hard way. Move up.